So what are the techniques for identifying your strength and weaknesses? What you can do for that? There are just simple way. Nobody can teach this. In order to find the strength or your abilities or your good things or your better things, that is, see, you want to earn. For that, you need to have some strength. Okay. Just relax and think what you are good at. What will make you successful? What is always good with you? Try to ask people what they love about you, what they like about you. Okay? Because people will tell you, you speak well, you are very good at mathematics, you play well, you are very good batsman. So take time out and just know what you can do well. This will take out strengths in you. You know about your strength. What about weakness? Try to find out what all points, what all things where you struggle. That is, you're all afraid of it. You don't want to go for it. And look at the feedback from others, what they give you. Okay. Some people may say, if you start singing, some people will say you are good at singing. But most of the people, if they're saying you're not good at singing, don't sing. It's a weakness. So you can do other things. Always be open for feedback. Right now what happens, people will say you are not good at this. You will just rebuke. You will just start quarreling with that person. Oh, you do your work. Okay, I'm good at this. And don't teach me. First you see yourself. This is what you generally people react. But what we have to do is, whatever people say, we have to take them feedback, because they are also individual. They have understanding. Okay, take these weaknesses gradually, gracefully, wonderfully, and then work upon it so that you can improve it. People are there to give you advices. It can be good, it can be bad. Sometimes they give you, they can tell you about your weaknesses. So always be open for the weaknesses, and when you know about weaknesses, work upon it. So this is how you find your strength. Think about it. Ask people. Weaknesses, think about it. Ask people. So there are certain questions. Try answering them. And if you can answer them, you will be knowing your strength and weaknesses by these questions. Right? So let us try to find out the answer for this question, and then we'll understand that what are good and what are bad in us. How am I different from others? That is, I am different from others, something I do very good. So this can be my strength. Okay. I can play well, I can dance well, I'm very good at speaking than others. I always win the debate competition. Okay. What do I do better than others? What are the things which I'm good at? People cannot do better than me. Okay. Whenever I play, I score 50 plus. So you are a good batsman then. This can answer your strength. What do other people admire in me? They praise something in you. So that is your strength. That is, some will say you are a very good speaker, you dance well, or you are very good at computers, and you are speaking very well. You take pause, you take punctuation. So these are people admire about you. What makes me stand out? That is, what is the only thing what are the things which is making me better than others? And let us come to the questions about weaknesses. Where do I worry and struggle? Why there is butterfly in my stomach? Where, how, and why do others perform better than me? That I always secure less marks, or I always score less runs in cricket. So this can be your weaknesses. What advice for improvement do I often receive from others? Everyone is saying that, okay, this is the problem in you. This is what you can improve. So that is how I can know about my weaknesses. So always open for feedback, understand it, and work out it.